Howdy! My name is Natalie and welcome to my video, welcome to my channel, and welcome to my sister's room because my room currently is not as aesthetically pleasing as hers is. Today I'm going to be filming a back to school haul. I have accumulated quite a few items over the past couple weeks, within, a month or so. And I just wanted to share all of my back to school fall 2019 fashion, lifestyle, beauty, etc. findings with you all. Maybe you can pick up some of these things on your own. They are all pretty relatively new, so I'm going to link everything that I can below. And you can also check out my Life to Know It at natalie.parks, and I'll have everything hopefully linked there as well. I'll also do a blog post about it because if you didn't know, I have a blog. It's called basicallyblondie.com, so that's a subtle plug to check that out. So that is actually where the name of the YouTube channel came from. My hair's basically blonde, right? It's fine. Let's get right into it. So the first place that I'm going to be talking about was actually Nordstrom. If you haven't hit up the anniversary sale, it goes into, I believe, the first week of August. They had some pretty amazing deals. Honestly, I never shop at Nordstrom because it's just a little bit out of this college student's price range. I'm a little bit broke, so, I'm a bargain hunter. We'll say that. So the first item that I want to show today is actually this beautiful pink dress. It's a midi dress. It's lace and I love it. They had this in a whole bunch of different colors. I'm hoping that they're still available, at least a few of them, so you can go check those out. This is a medium and I was able to tighten the straps on it to fit me pretty well. So I actually wore this 2 days ago in a photo shoot with my boyfriend, so I'll actually do a blog post about this picture soon because they turned out so good. I love. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is another pink item, of course. This super big, oversized sweater from Topshop. So it is so soft and I am loving the color. I'm hoping that it shows up pretty accurate on the camera as it is to real life. It's a pretty, light pink. I am super excited to wear this for the fall and winter because I probably can't get away with wearing it in the lovely Texas summertime heat. I've probably got a little bit of a while before I get to rock this, but it's fine. It'll be chilling in my closet until then. So the next item is another sweater. This one's a lot more lightweight and it's just a basic. It feels so good. It's so soft. I don't know. I don't even know anything about materials, I'm not gonna lie, but this is really stretchy. It's really soft. And I got this in black as well because they had quite a few really nice colors, and like I said, it is a great basic, a really good wardrobe staple. I had to get this in 2 colors. I honestly wanted more, but they were like $25 each, and that's pushing it for me. So I think that's everything that I got from Nordstrom. I'm sorry that wasn't that exciting, but it's, it's expensive. So the next thing is actually something that's been super trendy, and I'm usually the last one to hop onto bandwagon trends, so I'm kind of surprised that I even picked these up. I got a pair of biker shorts from Fabletics. They actually have a pocket, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, they're so comfortable. I love these. These ones still have the tags on them because I have not worn the gray ones yet because I also actually picked them up in white. They're so cute. These white ones will go with everything and I am a huge fan of them. Sorry, they look really wrinkly right now, but it's, it'd be like that sometimes. It also came in this really cute bag, so love that. I did the 2 for $24 deal and then I'll probably cancel the subscription, but it's fine. So the next place that I want to talk about is H&M. They have so many affordable, super cute options. Of course, it is a little bit more fast fashion, which means that it might not always be super, super awesome quality, like Forever 21. Sorry, it's true. I picked up this. I'm trying to build up my basics. It's more of like a fancy basic, extravagant basic. It is a really cute lacy cami. And it's the leopard print trend, which animal print is going to be so in this season. I'm calling it, and so is every other blogger and YouTuber out there. I had to hop on this, but in my own style. So I really, really like the pink. The next thing that I'm going to show is another sweater.
I love sweaters so much. They're so comfortable, and if you have a food baby, then you can just, nobody knows, because they're oversized. It's wonderful.
So this is actually a little bit of a crop sweater. I love crop sweaters, even though they might not be super practical for the winter. You know, fashion is pain, so it's fine. So I love this one. It's just a nice beige color that's easy to layer. Wear this with a pair of high-waisted jeans. So excited about this. And then the next thing that I'm going to show is, guess what? Another sweater. This one I'm obsessed with. I've already wore it to my internship. I am obsessed with this. Fun fact, I used to despise plaid. Like, I just always associated plaid with lumberjacks. Nothing against that profession, but you know, obviously I'm not going to be a lumberjack in the future. I don't know, something just changed in me within the past couple years, I guess, and I love plaid. Yellow is one of my colors right now. I am in love with this. So there's that, and now we're going to go back to a little bit more summery items that you can actually wear. Another cami! I've never actually really invested in camis before, but these are just perfect for layering. It's a good fall transition piece as well because you can wear it with a cardigan, wear like a tighter long sleeve top underneath it, which is why I get these in like a little bit of a bigger size. This is just another H&M basic that I really am excited to wear. The next thing from H&M is another basic. I actually got this in 2 colors. So it's just these basic mock neck tops. I am in love with mock neck tops. Like, I love the long sleeve ones, the short sleeve ones. They're just so cute and they go with like everything. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with a skirt. Like, they're just so classy and classic, and I don't know. I am in love. So I got a white one, and I actually got 2 black ones because I tend to wear black a little bit more. So there's these 2 items. And that is actually everything that I got from H&M. So now we're going to move on to Forever 21. So this next item is another basic. I actually recently outgrew my pair of, they're called short alls, you know, like the overalls, but they're shorts. And I got a replacement from Forever 21. This was probably like $20, but I had like a coupon, so it was like $15, I think. This one is actually a skirt, and so it'll be perfect for fall layering. And I love items like these. Anything that hides a food baby is just like my go-to. I really am excited to wear this. So that is all for the fashion items that I recently picked up. So let's move into jewelry. I recently discovered, and of course I knew it was a thing, I just never like really looked into it, but BaubleBar. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so cute. Like, statement earrings were very in the summer, and I just wear statement earrings anyways. Like, I mean, I'm literally wearing starfish on my ears. So that's just a me thing, honestly. I picked up a couple of pairs of earrings from BaubleBar. I got these. They're little bows, and I love bows, and like I've said 1,000 times already, I love the color yellow. So I got these. So I've already worn these. I love them a lot. Speaking of statement earrings, I am also obsessed with these ones. Okay, it's like being complicated. These are so pretty. They're really long, but I love them. They look like they're heavy, but they're not. They look like this. They're very pretty. I love like the rainbow. I love how they're super dangly, and I'll insert a picture of me wearing them here or here. I don't really know yet. Love these. Definitely have already worn them and super excited to continue wearing them. So those are the things that I picked up from BaubleBar. I also got a really good sale deal on those, so you know, we love that. Going back to Forever 21, I got these star earrings. I'm also obsessed with stars. You're literally learning just everything that I love right now in this video. I am a huge fan of stars. So there's these ones. I love dangly earrings as well. I am a huge fan of those. They're just kind of like sparkly and cute, and I love it. So the next thing that I got from Forever 21, so there are more stars, you guessed it. These ones are like the ear crawlers, so I put them in my second piercing and then they just like go up the side of my ears and they're so cute. I love. So that is all of the recent jewelry that I picked up. Let's move on to lifestyle. So something that I recently picked up for back to school, I'll actually be living in the sorority house, so I won't have like a sink in my room to be able to do my makeup and everything. I'll have a full-length mirror, but on days that I have to wake up early and I don't want to wake up my roommate or anything, I actually picked up this. So this is from Amazon, which Amazon also saves my life constantly. So I got this really pretty makeup mirror, and it's not plugged in right now, otherwise I would show you how bright it is. It is so bright, and it literally shows you everything on your face. So it's got different magnifications, so it'll help you with lipstick or plucking your eyebrows, you know, damage control. I am super excited to use this throughout the year, and it was only $20, so that's a steal. It's also in this really pretty pink rose gold color. I definitely recommend this. This next item that I want to talk about is something that I have needed severely. So story time, throughout freshman year, I actually carried a Vera Bradley tote bag across campus because I don't know, it was cute. My campus, I go to Texas A&M, I am going to be a sophomore there, and my campus is gigantic. So yeah, tote bag, bad idea. I finally picked up a backpack. I'm so excited to share it. Here we go. I got a North Face Borealis backpack. I believe that it is going to be worth the investment. I know that these items are a little bit on the pricier side, but everybody said that this backpack has lasted them about 5 years, so I am so excited. It's got a couple of super handy compartments. Let's move on to the Hydro Flask. There's water in here because this has changed my life. This is a 21 ounce. It's pink. I don't think that they have this color anymore, but I'm sure you could find it somewhere. Literally, I love this thing. It is my pride and joy, and I drink so much water now because of it. So like I said, this is a 21 ounce, and I probably drink like 50 of these a day. Hydrate or dihydrate, people. It just makes it so easy to drink water. So yes, I highly recommend picking this up. And no, nothing in this video is sponsored. These are just things that I'm excited about, things that I'm loving. So yes, I think that that's all that I have to talk about today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my blog. My social medias are also linked below if you want to check that out. I think that I have a pretty cute Instagram feed. I don't know, I use the same filter for everything, so that's how that works, right? And like I said, subscribe, like this video, comment what your favorite thing was in this haul, and if you intend to pick up any of these items. I'll link everything that I can below in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, and gig 'em. But it's fine because it was on sale. It's fine. Love that for me.